Simple affiliate marketing tips from the pros. Affiliate marketing programs represent a golden opportunity for anyone to bring in a steady stream of profits, but to set up a successful program you need to know what you are doing. There are many mistakes people commonly make with their affiliate programs. By following the advice in this video, you can avoid these errors. When finding proper keywords to market your business, you should avoid the words, terms and phrases that are most searched. It might seem like common sense to go with the words that are receiving the biggest hits, but by doing this, you are competing in a very large market. Try to cater to niche markets, where you will be able to stand out. Make a unique web page for each affiliate product. Write relevant and helpful information about the product for your visitors to read. If you focus a page on a single product, you can target a specific audience that is already interested in the subject. It also makes tracking much easier. Watch out for minimum rates. Some companies will charge you a monthly fee, but that fee may increase if they do not get the amount of buyers from your website agreed upon in your contract. Read carefully to find out what these fees are, as they are sometimes not clearly listed. Use the internet to check the history of an affiliate program prior to signing on with them. It is so important to know who you are working with so you do not find yourself frustrated and angry about not getting the money that they owe you for selling their products. While affiliate marketing offers its share of pitfalls and potential problems, these can be avoided with minimal effort if you just keep the basics in mind. If you don't get in over your head and stick to your plan, you too can enjoy a lucrative career as an affiliate marketer. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.